Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 73rd program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about figure and figure caption tag. We'll start with DOCTYPE HTML. HTML tag, body, now figure tag. Figure tag specifies self-contained contents like illustrations, diagrams, photos, code, and listing, etc. Image src means image source equals to, we will name the picture's name in the folder. We'll type the picture.html. Now fig caption line equals to center. Borivali. Now we end figure tag, body tag, and lastly the HTML tag. So now we'll save it as 73 and extension.html and in all files. So now let us check the output. So now we'll check the output. 73rd program. So this is our basic output of 73rd program. How to use figure tag, and don't forget to check the tag in description.